Soil fertility: the ability of soil to provide nutrients necessary for plant growth and developments. Soil structure: the arrangement of soil particles into aggregates affecting water infiltrations, nutrient availability, and root growth. Soil health: the ability of soils to sustain plant and animal productivity, maintain environmental quality, and support humans' health and well-being. Soil texture: the proportions of sand, silt, and clay in soils which affect in it plant holding capacity and drainage. Nutrient: the elements or compound necessary for plant growth, including nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. Soils pH: measures of the acidity or alkalinity of soils on a scale of 0 to 14, with 7 considered neutral, below 7 acidic, and above 7 alkalines. Soil compaction: the packing of soils particles, reducing soils porosity and leading to decreased plant growth. Soil porosity: the space in soils between particles affecting water holding capacity and soils aerations. Organic matter: the decaying plant and animals materials in soils that is important for nutrient cycle. ये जो है nutrient cycles, water retentions, and soil structures. Conservation tillage: the practice of leaving plants residue on the soil surface, reducing erosions and maintain the soil structures. Erosion: removal of soils by the actions of wind or waters. Runoff: the movement of water across the soil surface, carrying sediments and nutrients with it. Leaching: the movements of nutrients through the soils below the root zones. Crop rotation: the practice of alternating the different crops species to avoid soil-borne disease and pests and to improve soil fertility. Soil test: the laboratory analysis of soil samples to determine nutrient content and pH. Macronutrient: nutrient required by plant in small quantity, including iron, manganese, and zinc. Compost: decomposed organic material added to soils to improve soil structures, nutrient content, and water holding capacity. No-tills: types of conservation tillage where the soil is left undisturbed, preserving soil structures and reducing erosion. Strip till: a type of conservation tillage where only in narrow strips of soil is tilled, leaving the rest undisturbed. Fertilizer: a substance added to soils to provide essential plant nutrients. Mulch: a layer of organic materials placed on the soil's surface to reduce erosion, retain moisture, and suppress weed growth. Macronutrient: nutrients required by plant in large quantity, पौधों को ज़रूरत हो बहुत ज़्यादा मिकदार में, including nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Acidification: the decrease in soil pH due to the additions of acidifying substances such as nitrogen fertilizers. Nutrient cycling: the movements of nutrients through the soil into plants and back into the soil through decomposition. Limings: the applications of calcium carbonate to acidic soil to raise soil pH and improve soil fertility. Soil conservation practices aimed at maintaining or improving soil health, including erosion controls, nutrient management, and tillage system. Soil amendments: materials added to soils to improve soil's fertility, structures, and waters. holding capacity including compost, limes, and gypsums. Soil fertility management, the practice of maintaining or improving the ability of soil to provide nutrients necessary for plant growth and development through various techniques and input. Soil pH management, the technique used to adjust and maintain optimal soil acidity or alkalinity specific crops and growing conditions. Soil quality, the overall conditions of soil including its physical, chemicals and biological properties.